The white form is one of the most enigmatic images in Dalinian work. He associates it with the painting of the Angelus by Millet, and it causes him great anxiety. He explains the origin himself.
It happens in Cadaqués, while I am ferociously rowing, and consists of a white form illuminated by the sun, long and cylindrical, with rounded ends and with several irregularities. Its entire contour is raised by small black sticks that seem to be in suspension in all senses, like floating sticks.
The white form made him think of a loaf of bread with embedded ink pots. The black sticks correspond to the pens in the ink pots. It also reminds him of the distribution of piano keys, where the sticks match the black keys.